Hello and welcome to a quick little episode here of The Naked Turner, just kind of pointing something out about wood itself. So I got lucky enough a while back to have my cousin send me some wood that was my uncle's, which I have shown some of before. And here's one of these fiddlebacks right here. This is one piece of wood that is split like this, so these were stacked. You know, they were reciprocals of each other, and as they were cut away, they leave them thick in the middle to carve down to hollow out the inside and the shape of the back with that nice scalloping that you'll get. And then any project that you do is going to be enhanced by the wood that you use. So here I have a piece of this highly figured Fiddleback maple, which is basically curly maple or tiger maple, figured maple. But this specific stuff is so sought after that it's used for high-end fiddlebacks. This particular piece, it looks like back in 1957, cost $16.50. And now that is, I guarantee you this piece here alone would probably be 10 times that value if it were cut up into pen blanks and sold as individual pen blanks, or if it was sold like this as a fiddleback, it would definitely be worth much, much more than that. So I was very lucky to get this wood, and I'm going to be turning this piece here down into a pen eventually. And just thought I wanted to share a little bit about woodstock with you. Anytime you're doing some project, the more special the wood is, whether it has sentimental value or is extremely beautiful, the more successful that piece might be in the long run, and the more of an heirloom or gallery looking piece you'll end up with. Take care, safe turning, and just a quick little thing here in the studio of the Naked Turner. Enjoy. New pen I'm working on. This is from that fiddleback that I just posted a picture of, and then I put some yellow and green dye on it, and now it's looking like this. Oops, sorry about that. Focus there for a second.